Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way to reconcile.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nah, pada video kali ini aku bakal kasih tau kalian cara edit foto ala selebgram. Namun sebelum itu jangan lupa untuk klik like, comment, share, and subscribe ya, agar channel ini semakin berkembang. Nah, gak usah lama-lama lagi, langsung aja kita ke tutorialnya. Oke. Forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do is say goodbye, refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many highs, too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. No, I don't wanna live a sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no. Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way to reconcile. 'Cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'd be sad to say I'm sorry, so lie, pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Lies. Don't care if I can
blame. All I can do is take the shame. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry. So loud.